I'm Chris Chase, Project Director of the Western Flyer Foundation, and I get a lot of emails. People checking in with me, how's the project coming? What's new, what's different? So I thought it'd be a great idea if I started a video diary, something I would post every couple of weeks, showing the progress to the folks that can't stop by the shop. And a lot of you have never had the chance to stop by the Western Flyer here in Port Townsend. So I thought video number 1 should just be a tour of the Western Flyer, how she sits today, January 1st, 2019. So let's walk around and I'll show you how she looks. Built in 1937 in Tacoma, Washington, the Western Flyer is a classic Northwest fishing boat. Wheelhouse forward and the fish hold aft. She's got a plumb stem and a horseshoe stern. She comes in at about 77 feet, 20 feet wide, and displaces about 130 tons. Built out of Douglas fir planking, decking, and most structural timber is Douglas fir. She does have white oak framing and is iron fastened. The accommodations aboard the Flyer are all above deck. Bunks for 8 crew members and a stateroom for the skipper. You don't get much aboard the Western Flyer. You get a bunk to lay down on, a drawer for your sea bag, and a hook to hang your hat on. Over the next couple of weeks, the shipwrights will cut the wheelhouse free of the deck. They'll lift it off safely and set it down next to the Flyer, where over the next 6 to 8 months, they will rebuild each part of it, painstakingly dismantling, cleaning, refreshing, renewing, and ultimately lifting it back onto the deck of the Western Flyer to be securely bolted for another 80 years of life. And thanks for watching. I'll try to post a new video every couple of weeks so you can follow along at home. And if you enjoy it, why don't you subscribe? Thanks again.